have the pipe sealing gauge, torch holder, butterfly valve, vacuum connector and various accessories such as clamps and gaskets ready. Install the butterfly valve. The valve connection is a KFR flange. Either of the two connections can be used, depending on the layout of the equipment. The butterfly valve is used to seal different samples. In the case of powders, as applying more vacuum directly may cause the powder to be sucked out and could damage the vacuum pump. You must close the main valve, slowly open the diverter valve, and wait until the powder has stopped moving. Once the diverter valve is fully open, slowly open the main valve. If you are handling granules, simply open the main valve. Connecting bellows. To install the quartz tube connector, remove the seal, place O-rings at both ends, and secure it to the tube sealing machine. Once fitted, the tube may be slightly askew. This is normal. Adjust it left and right by hand. Remove the flame gun holder and attach it to the base of the pipe sealer. The holder features a magnetic attachment mechanism. You will need to switch it on to secure it in place. The flame gun clamp is used to hold the flame gun in place. The inlet pipe is a 6 毫米 T-fit tube. Ensure that the cylinder pressure is less than 0.2 RMPa during filling. The arrow on the valve indicates the direction of gas flow.